हेलो दोस्तों, hello friends. We are developing a event management website which name is the Grand Centers. This is situated in the USA, United States of America, in uh, Texas and Dallas. Okay, here I have developed some modules and features of the grant centers. This website is regarding how anyone can book their events, how anyone can book their seats, tickets. There are many different type of program and uh, organizing and here some events and grand centers like you can book this grand center like grand auditoriums, grand ballroom, grand royal lobby, grand auditoriums. This is all for your marriage occasion, for your birthday party, for your any type of program. Okay, so here what I have done in this project, I am making video. So here first of all, this is the home page. This is the home page and all pages have I designed. Like if we click on grand ballroom, then we can see the grand ballrooms designs. Okay, so like this, here I am designed the seat booking, how to seat bookings. Okay, so this is all. And one more thing is uh, what I have done in the admin parts. Okay, so this is the admin part of this grant centers. This is main. Okay, and how to manage complete website, how to manage complete CMS. Okay, with this admin, we are complete whatever have done the developing. We are describing. Okay, I am describing this all. So first of all, we click on the menu management. So in the menu management, there are 7 or 8 right now menu in the home page. We can say there is a total 10 menu. So here, okay. So this menu is if we click on this edit parts, if you want to, it's in active situation, then here option. Okay, showing the active, and here some fields of content. Okay, if you want to add menu, you can click. As you click here the add, this will create a page. This is open a new page where you can add your new menu. Here the we can select type home menu. Okay, and here select language. Okay, as you click select language is English. Here select parent page. Okay, like grand center, event booking, gallery, story. If we want to create some menu in the grand center, we want to create some menu in the event part, booking part, say gallery part, we can create. Okay, and here description, here the image, we can attach image. Here is description part. Okay, and last is this menu is in header, or this menu is one in footer. This is also available the options here. Okay, here sub options like for subtitles and meta keywords. Okay, this is for the promotions part. I have developed this. If you want to promote this particular page, you can add the meta tag keywords and okay, description parts of that meta keywords and subtitles of that. Okay, so this is the process to add menu. And there like that, you also, if want to delete menu, you can delete. Okay, this is all situation, the enable situation. Okay, enable condition, we click this CMS. Here you want to disable or enable, you can do here. Okay, this is the, you can see. Okay, all like that. We click on the event management. So we click on event management. Here you can see some events, like I have put it some tested events. Okay, here also you can this is the view. If you want to see the complete of this event information, you can see here after the click on view page, view button. Okay, like that. If you want to delete, you can delete. If you want to edit, you can edit. If you want to add a new event, you can add. Okay, like this. Here select type new events, yeah, grant center program events. Okay, next is language, English. Okay, next is title. We can title add, we can date, events date, we can location, where is it. Okay, and if we want this events in exclusive categories, then we click on this button. If we don't want, we don't click on this. Okay, we can add description about the events, and here is the YouTube links. If we want to showing the some videos or images, we can YouTube links and images browse. Okay, and then we submit, then our event successfully submit. Okay, our event according to date coming in upcoming parts and previous parts. Okay, and so it is very important to know that how to add event with the admin panel. Okay, next third part is grant centers management. Okay, if we click on the grant center management, we can see here some images, some our grant center pictures. Okay, this is all we can say. If we want add, then we can click on this, we can add. Okay, as you click on this, and like that, here also description and everything is descriptions about the grant center's content, English, name, title, and we also hear this select type key, classic auditoriums, royal lobby, grand auditoriums. Okay, we can see this. Like this, we can update the managed testimonials. Okay, so here the testimonials parts. Everyone go to the in the front stories parts, and here you can submit the testimonials. As here submit the testimonials, there are some work is pending in the testimonials also, so this will be complete soonly. And we click on the gallery, manage gallery. Okay, so as click on the manage gallery, we open a page where the gallery parts is showing. Okay, if you want like that, we can search particulars and we can add gallery's image, like select type whatever gallery, grant centers, and gallery page, event management. So this is all we can add. Okay, last is site settings. Here is the logo of the company contact details, company's information, IDs. Okay,